How to use chats. In the chat section, you can connect with other traders, receive notifications, and stay updated on promotions, analytics, and platform news. To open or hide this section, simply click on the chat on the left panel. When you change the language of the platform, the set of chats available to you will also change. To create your own chat or channel, click the icon at the top right of the chat window. To start chatting with other traders, go to the chat section on the left panel of the trading interface and locate the general chat. Before you start chatting, carefully read the chat rules by clicking on the three dots to the right of the chat name. To send a private message, click on any trader's avatar in the general chat. The notifications section is where you'll receive all updates about promotions, trading, analytics, and platform news. Happy trading with Pocket option. Follow the link in the description.